Today we are going to be showing you how to do a block quote on Weebly. First things first, make sure you have a quote already. We do. And then you're going to click on your Weebly app and let it load up. Now to log into your Weebly app, you're going to use your computer login and password. So your first initial, your middle initial, and your last name, plus the year you graduate, and capital BMS in front of your student ID for your password. And then, as soon as it loads up, you're going to click on your website icon, then click Edit Site.
And once you're into your Weebly, you're gonna go to the page that you want to put the block quote on. You can use the pages at the top right corner, the middle button, and go to the page you want. Scroll down. Now I chose to use an orchestra quote, and I'm gonna put on my 7th grade orchestra page. So you're gonna click on your page that you want. It doesn't have to be orchestra, and then you're gonna let it load. And then top right corner, the first button, the little plus button, you're gonna click on that. And you're going to scroll all the way down, it's going to be, block quote is going to be the bottom left. You're going to click on it, hold on to it, and drag and drop it where you want it. I'm going to drop it right above that little thing right there. And you're going to type down your quote. And I chose this quote by Emo and G, and it says, "A depressed mind is like an orchestra without a conductor." And then you're going to do a dash mark, I think it's called a dash, and write the name of the person. It's by Emo and G, not T.
And then you're going to click on Preview to preview your website, obviously. And then to save it, you're going to click Publish in the top corner, same spot. And then you're going to let it load, and then boom, your site has been saved. And that is how you make a block quote on Weebly.